Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can reverse the journals in a single batch. One of our user TSUGAPOND has asked one question that he or she, I don't know, they have tried to reverse one journal from the general batch and they are not able to do so. Do I miss anything? Thank you in advance for your answer. Okay, I'll answer that question. So jump into the instance and go to the task called manage general sources. Open the task, and since the source is manual, you have to search for manual source and make sure that the freeze generals option is set to no. And after that, and you can see the general expenses, and in this batch expenses for the month of June 26, and here we have entered two expenses. One is general expenses and the other is telephone expenses. And if you click on reversal and select the reversal period, select the reversal method, either it can be change sign or switch debit or credit. I want to go with switch debit or credit. Now click on save, and if you click on general actions, you can see reverse option. If you click on reverse option, the process has been submitted. Or if you want to reverse the general expenses as well, click on general expenses, select the reversal period, say June, and click on save. If you click on save, if you click on general actions, then the reverse option will be enabled. In this way, you can click on OK. Click on monitor processes. Now check reversal generals has been successfully completed. Click on general accounting, journals. Click on task list or task pane. Click on manage journals. Click on search. Search for the reversal journals. This is the reversal journal. You can see the reversal journal 6/4/2026. This is reporting ledger. Let's check the same in primary ledger. Yeah, this is primary ledger. In this way, you can reverse the journal entries. I hope I have answered your question. If you like this video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.